Partnership firms. What is the meaning of this one that we are studying, children? Last day we studied about sole trading concerns. About sole trading concerns we studied last day. Sole trading concerns. Different types of or different categories of business concerns or business organizations are there. Different types of or different categories of business organizations are there. Different types of or different categories of business organizations are there. About sole trading concern, I had told you yesterday. So, now we have to study about which one? Now we have to study about partnership firms. Partnership. What is the meaning of this one? That is good. What is the meaning of sole trading concerns? Sole trading concerns. Sole trading concerns means one person only is starting the business. He is starting the business by using his own money. A person or an individual is starting business by using his own money. That is known by what name? That is known by the name sole. Only one person. Sole trading concerns. In the case of sole trading concerns, the person is not at all responsible to another person. Not responsible to another person. He can take his capital and he can take his own business or industry. That is sole trading concerns. Without asking to anyone, he is having the right or power to take decisions. That is known as sole trading concerns. In the case of sole trading concerns, the particular person or individual can take decisions without asking to another person. Sole trading concerns. And last day we studied sole trading concerns do have their own demerits also. Sole trading concerns. Sole trading concerns do have their own demerits also. They have their own demerits. Because sole trading concerns means during the time of decision taking, there is nobody to help or guide the particular person. There is sole trading concerns. There is no one or nobody to guide the particular person. And he must suffer all the loss that is happening in his life. In order to solve the problems of sole trading concerns, what we are using? Partnership we are using. Partnership. What is the meaning of partnership? Partnership means so many members are joining together and they are starting one business. That is known as partnership. So many people are joining together and they are starting one business. That is partnership. What are the types of partners that we are thinking? Active partners. Active partners. Active partners. What is an active? Active partners are those partners who have invested money in the business. They are actively participating in the day-to-day activities of the business firm. They are known as active partners. They are responsible for profit and loss. Such partners are known as active partners. Another one is known as sleeping partners. Sleeping partners. What is sleeping? They are not sleeping. Sleeping partners are also partners, but they are not at all actively participating in the activities of the business firm. They will be profit also, but they are not active in the day-to-day activities of the business firm. Such a type of partners are known as sleeping partners. Then minor partners, minor partners are those partners whose age is below 18 years. They are minors. After completing 18 years, what they can do? After completing 18 years of age, they can be called as major partners. So, minor partners are those people whose age is below 18 years of age. Their age is below 18 years of age. For example, a person whose age is 75 invested some money in the business, and one day he was traveling in a car. One day while he was traveling in a car, he met with an accident. He died. He is having 3 daughters and 1 son. The age of the son is 17 years. Last is the son. Last child is the son. First 3 daughters are there. Then the son will be the partner of the firm after the death of the person. But he is a minor. So such partners are known as minor partners, nominal partners. Who are the nominal partners that we have to think? Nominal partners are not at all liable to receive profit. Nominal partners will not get any profit from the business, but if there is a loss, they are responsible for that loss. They are not responsible for the profit. They will not get any profit, but they are responsible for the loss of the firm. Imagine that the business firm is making 1000 crore profit in 1 year. Imagine only, not real. Imagine that the business firm is making 1000 crore profit in 1 year. 1000 crore profit, the business is making profit. 1000 crore. One partner is a nominal partner. One partner is a nominal partner. He will not get any share of the profit. Imagine that the very next year, the business is running as loss. There is loss for the business the very next year. This full loss is there. Then what is the full loss is there for the business? The business is running for 200 crore rupees loss is there. During that time, the nominal partners are responsible for the loss of the business firm. Loss. Then, what are the merits of partnership firms? What are the merits of partnership firms? Merits. First, merit means good sides or advantages. It is easy to form. First one is easy to form. It is very easy to form partnership firms. It is very easy to form partnership firms. Very easy to form. It is very easy to form partnership firms. Why? Because sole trading concern means one person is spending his money to start business. One person is standing to make a business venture. He is taking his own decisions. He is using his own capital. But it is very difficult to start a sole trading concern. But what is that? Partnership firms are very easy to form. It is very easy to make, or it is very easy to form partnership firms. Different partners are standing together and they are making their contribution to the business. Easily in this way we can start one business. More capital will be there. More and more capital will be there. More capital. What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of capital that I have told you people several times? More than 1,00,000,000 times I have told you regarding the meaning of the word capital. What is capital? And what is the meaning of the word capital? I have told you. What is capital? Capital means the basic money which we are using in the business field or economic field is known as capital. The basic money which we are using in the business or production field, that is known as capital. In the case of sole trading concerns, what is that? It is very difficult to get capital. How we will get capital? How we will get it? Only the particular person must make capital. He can borrow money from private individuals or he can borrow money from the bank. So, in the case of sole trading concerns, the person is making capital from his own risk. But in the case of partnership firms, what is that? In the case of partnership firms, capital can be generated by all the people who are joining in the business field. It is more efficient. Partnership firms can function more efficiently than a sole trading concern. More efficient function of the business firm is possible in the case of partnership firms because so many brains are using at the same time. So many brains. So many people are there in the partnership firms. So many people are using their brain in the case of partnership firms. It is more efficient. And credit is available. Credit. What is that? More credit is available in the case of partnership firms from banks, from private institutions, or from money lenders. Partnership firms will get more money than the case of sole trading concerns. Then loss also sharing. Sharing of loss. In the case of partnership firms, what is that? In the case of partnership firms, the total loss can be shared. The case of partnership firms. Why? Because so many people have joined together to start one business. Here, one person need not share the loss. All the people are sharing. Then secrecy. What is that? If there is a secret incident that can be kept in the case of partnership firms, so many business secrets will be there. So many. Those secrecy of business can be kept clearly by the partners. Easy of dissolution. What is that? Partnership firms are having another advantage also. What is that one? That means, imagine that one person is planning to transfer his share to another person. Imagine one person is thinking, or one person is planning to transfer the share from his hand to the hand of his son or daughter. That is possible in the case of which one? Partnership firms only. Demerits. What are the demerits of partnership firms? That we have to think. What are the demerits? First one is disunity. Disunity is there. Lack of unity or disunity is an important problem of partnership firms. In the case of sole trading concerns, what is that? In the case of sole trading concerns, that means only one person is there. He can take decisions. He is responsible for the profit and loss of the business. He is the only responsible person for profit and loss. But in the case of partnership firms, so many people are there. They are responsible for the profit and loss. Sometimes, if it is a profitable business, what will be there? If it is a profitable business, no problem. No war will be there. If there is a loss, all of them will blame one another. That is a main problem. So, there is a possibility of which one? Disunity among the people, partners. Then what is the foolish decisions? Foolish. Foolish decisions. Maybe sometimes. The idea of one partner may be different from the idea of another partner. Different partners may have different ideas. So, as a matter of compromise, what is that? As a matter of compromise, sometimes different decisions may be taken by the people, by the partners. Then, transfer of share. Transfer of share. What is the meaning of this one? In the case of partnership firms, what is that? Transfer of share is not there. Transfer of share is very difficult in the case of partnership firms. There are so many legal formalities that has to be kept. during the time of transfer of share. Then here another thing is that government control is not there. Government control is not there. What is the meaning of this word? In the case of partnership firms, government control is not at all possible. Government is having a very less control in the case of partnership firms. So, government cannot control and direct the partnership firms. So, dear children, I will say once more about partnership firms. What is the meaning of partnership firms? That will be out here. Partnership firms. Last day I told you, or we have studied, what is the meaning of which one? What is the meaning of sole trading concern? I told you. One person is starting the business by spending money from his pocket. That is known as sole trading concerns. That is meaning. Sole trading concerns are there. Sole trading concerns. That is there. Sole trading concerns are there. That we study. The partnership firms are fully different from sole trading concerns, partnership firms. Partnership firms are entirely different from or fully different from sole trading concerns. What are the specialties? So many people are joining together and making one business. That is known as sole trading concerns. What are the type of partners that we are studying? What is active partners? Active partners are those people who are spending money and who are actively participating in the business. That is active partners. Sleeping partners are those people who are spending money but they are not at all actively participating in the business. Sleeping partners. Then minor partners. Minor partners are those partners whose age is below 80 years. Nominal partners are those partners who are not at all actively participating in the affairs of the firm actively. But they are not responsible for profit. They will not get any share of the profit. But if the business is a loss, they are responsible. If the business is running in a loss way, they are really responsible. Then, what are the merits of partnership firms? Merits. What are the merits of partnership firms? That we have to think. Merits. First one is, it is easy to form. As compared to sole trading concerns, what is that? It is very easy to form. In the case of sole trading concern, one person is making all the decisions and he must start the business with his own initiative policy. But in the case of partnership business, such problems are not there. In the case of partnership business, so many people are joining together and they are starting a business easily. So, partnership business firms are very easy to form. Second one, capital. There is the possibility of more capital or money. There is a possibility of more capital or money in the partnership firms. Partnership firms. What is that? In the case of sole trading concern, one person is collecting money or capital and he is investing that money in the business. Sometimes that person may have the shortage of money. But in the case of what is that? In the case of partnership firms, what is that? In the case of partnership firms, there is chance of more and more capital. There is chance of more and more capital in the case of partnership firms. So many people can join together and they can collect money and they can start business. Efficient. As compared to sole trading concern, what is that? As compared to sole trading concern, what is that? These partnerships are very efficient because so many brains are joining together. So many brains are joining together to start one partnership business. The ability of different people can be used with them. Then credit. In the case of partnership firms, there is every possibility of getting money from different sources. In the case of sole trading concern, only one person is responsible for the money. But in the case of partnership firms, what is that? So many people are there in the business. All of them are responsible for the repay of the loan. So more money as loan they will get from bank or from money rates or from private people. Then what is that? Another thing is sharing of loss. In the case of sole trading concern, what is that? In the case of sole trading concern, only one person is responsible for the loss. If there is a loss in the business, if there is a loss. But in the case of partnership business, what is that? All the partners are responsible for the loss. Then secrecy can be maintained. In the case of business, so many secrets or business secrets will be there. In the case of partnership firms, those secrets can be maintained easily. Dissolution. In the case of partnership firms, the share from one person to another person can be shared easily. Then demerits of partnership firms. Everything is having its own demerits. Everything. All the items are, everything is having its own demerits. Without demerits, nothing is there. Demerits. First demerit is that disunity among the partners. What is that? Sometimes the partners may have their own disunity. Partners. The sole, in the case of sole trading concern means, what is that? Only one person is using his capital, only one person is taking his own decisions. That is the case of which one? Sole trading concerns. In the case of which one? In the case of partnership firms, what is that? In the case of partnership firms, different people are using their brain at a time. So there may be the possibility of disunity among the partners. Partners may quarrel one another. That may lead to the downfall of the business sector. Foolish decisions. In the case of sole trading business, one person is only taking decisions. One person only is taking decisions. In the case of which one? Sole trading concerns. In the case of partnership firms, different people are joining together and they are taking their own foolish decisions. That is the main problem. They are taking their own foolish decisions. So what is that? There is the possibility of foolish decisions or conclusions by the partners. Transfer of share. In the case of transfer of share from one hand to another hand, it is very difficult during the time of partnership firms. Imagine that a person dies out of an accident and he had major share in the business. Then what is that? After his death, it is very, very difficult to transfer share from his hand to the hand of the son or daughter. Government control. In the case of partnership firms, what is that? Government control is very less. When there is very less government control, what is that? Partnership firms cannot be controlled by the government for the benefit of the society. Dear children, you watch this video and read the same topic in the textbook. If you do have doubts, you call me.